Hey guys, today let's dive into a quick guide on how to keep your Pinterest profile and boards away from the prying eyes of search engines. Let's get started. First, make sure you're signed into your Pinterest account. Whether you're in an app or on a website, the process is the same. Now go to your profile located at the bottom right corner of the screen and click on it. And then on the next page, look for the trusty three dots in the top right corner of the screen and click them. That's where all the magic happens. Click on the Settings option, then on the next page look for the Profile Visibility option and click on it. And then click on Privacy Search option. This is where you take control of your profile's visibility on search engines. Toggle the switch to turn off Hide Your Profile from browsers. It's that simple. Now your Pinterest profile and boards will not appear in search engine results. As always, confirm the changes. And there it is. Your Pinterest haven is now hidden from the prying eyes of search engines. If you found this tip useful, please give us a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe for more tricks and tips on Pinterest. Stay connected with us on social media for more updates and tutorials. See you in the next one.